please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm going to open this box, hobby box. Is the Falcon and the Winter Soldier in Upper Deck. And I never opened this kind of thing before. The first time, tag us on your social. Let's see what kind of buried treasure to find. I'm just more curious about this guy from Target. A while back. And kind of like... Of course, I just destroy everything. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got ourselves a package. I'm not sure. I kind of miss Upper Deck. I think Upper Deck baseball cards were my favorite back in the 90s. I guess like different slides in the movies. What's going on. A lot of angry faces. There we go. I used to collect these things, movie cards back in the day. I got a bunch of them, back 80s collecting. You know what, half these characters are there. And just very much let you know what's happening in the movie, I guess. Take a little lineup. Okay. Oh, okay, I guess yellow card, that's what you look for, I guess. I have no idea. Not sure what kind of cards I'm going to look for. So like 23 came out of Target. I have no idea how these characters fit in this movie. Ooh, I guess you look for that collector's item. Not sure if they have autographs or anything for the stars or anything relating to the movies. But okay, well, not sure this movie coming out. I haven't seen the trailer. So let me know you think you've seen the movie or not, legally or not. I guess behind the scenes. So I don't know what you say about these. Like and subscribe, maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.